YouTube, what is going on? So I'm in a pretty unique situation on this job site. My buddy's renovating a house, and you know, he gave me one big punch list because he's having problems with contractors, and you know, same old story. One of the punch list items is just installing the pop filler to the wall that the plumber did. All right, except this was totally roughed in completely wrong. Now I'll copy a link down below because I did my first pop filler a few weeks ago, but basically, you know, it's a whole thing where you could only keep this out a ½ inch, and over on the actual unit there was no room to install the set screws, which, by the way, I found this box on a hunt. I love open boxes, guys, don't you? And I can't believe I found these two little set screws in a drawer way down the line. So anyway, we fixed the problem. Pop fillers seem to be pretty popular, so let's try to get this thing in now. I wish I started filming when I changed all this to rough it the right way, but basically, whatever you rough pop filler, they only want this bit behind this structural plate, a ½ inch beyond, okay? Because what happens is, on the actual pop fill unit, you'll never be able to get the set screws in with the plate and everything on. Okay, so you got to have your plate on, and then there's threaded, almost looks like gears, okay? And the same thing goes here. So you have to place this thing level on your wall, okay? Let's see how we did here. Okay, let's see if we're level. But guys, this is what gets me, you know. People give me a punch list and, you know, they expect it to go, you know, real fast and smooth, and I can only go as fast as how the workmanship was done before me. You know what I mean? That's why I hate giving, oh shit, that's why I hate giving daily prices. You know, because then people think you know, you're taking too long, but you don't see behind the scenes here. You know what, guys? Let's try something smart here. Let's start the set screw. How about that? I don't even know why they're out of here, but you know, I found this thing in a million parts. This guy is Mr. You know. This guy walks around like he's Superman too, this fucking plumber. I can't stand him. You know, he's one of those guys who everything he does is the best, you know. And here I am, you know, a carpenter by trade, taking his shit apart, you know. But hey, I'm getting experience with pop fillers. It's my second one now. Doing it myself anyway, you know, my plumber, you know, I watch him do it on the jobs. So let's see if she's nice and level. Yeah, she looks good. So, you know, maybe I should get a cape, you know, for saving the day. Open box items, I love it. And I love little Allen keys with my big fingers. Love it. Oh, love it. Love it. Love it, but I love this kid I'm doing work for. You know, I want everything done right in this house. This kid went through the mill with this house. You know, it's been a long haul for him, and we'll get everything taken care of. But you know, I'm getting busy now, so I'm trying to do all this as fast as I can. You know. Okay. Okay. You get so nervous too when I film this stuff, you know. I knew this kid. Shit. I think, man, it was early grammar school days. I'll tell you though, him and his girlfriend have great taste. Great taste. When this house is done, it's gonna be beautiful, you know. Nice. All right. There's a little O-ring back here. You got to get it in the groove. Get my big sausage links in here. Now, I'm assuming. Nope, missed it. Missed it. Yeah, this guy's a Cape Crusader, a plumber. You know, I'm the best. Okay. Now, this should be nice and even, like that. There you go, guys. One pot filler. One thing I gotta do is I gotta put a valve. Downstairs. Nice shut-off valve. Alright guys, there you go. One pot filler done. Alright, so this is my second pot filler. I know it wasn't a full explanation of what happens, but basically guys, behind this wall there should be a drop your elbow, like you would use in a shower setup, screwed to a block. Alright, that's it, but you always got to keep that pipe a ½ inch past your finished wall, or else you're never going to be able to get this flange on and pipe. So you know, we had to take care of it. So that should be a nice lesson learned to, you know, these guys who think they're superheroes. You know, we're all in it together, guys. No reason why to badmouth anybody. Alright guys, see you on the next one. Let me bang out this list.